Now is Lucy after taking a bath, and now she's in a good mood again. Hi, Lucy. Good morning. How are you, Lucy? How are you, Lucy? How are you? Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that, Lucy. Come on. Come on, Lucy. How are you today? How are you today? Ah, you like that, don't you? You like that, don't you, Lucy? You like that, don't you? How is Lucy today? How is Lucy today? You're a good girl, don't you? You're a good girl, don't you, Lucy? Don't you, Lucy? You're a nice girl, don't you, Lucy? Don't you, Lucy? Oh, come on. Don't do that. You're such a cute, cute, cute little bird. Cute little bird. You just like to be rubbed, Lucy. You just like to be rubbed, don't you? Don't you, Lucy? Don't you, Lucy? Lucy, don't you, Lucy? Lucy. Cute, cute girl, Lucy. Cute, cute girl. Cute, cute girl, Lucy, don't you? Don't you, Lucy? Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Oh, Lucy. Oh, Lucy. Don't you, Lucy? Come on. Oh, don't do that. Don't bite my rings. Come on. Come on. Come on, Lucy. Now we're gonna eat, okay? We're gonna eat. Come on. Come on, Lucy. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Once again. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Oh, not my finger. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. Ouch. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl, Lucy. Oh, good girl, Lucy. Good girl. Not my finger. No, not my ring. Sorry. Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. Good girl, Lucy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Come on. Come on, Lucy. You're really cute. You're really cute, Lucy. Aren't you, baby? Aren't you, baby? Aren't you, baby? I'm sure Trish will gonna like you, Lucy. I'm sure Trish will like you so much. Yes, Lucy. Yes, Lucy. You're gonna meet my baby, Trish. Don't you? You're gonna like her. You're gonna like her, Lucy. Oh, venga, venga, venga. Venga. Gosto de carinho, Lucy. Gosto de carinho. Come on, come on. Oh, not my ring. Good name.